Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Life is full of opportunities. One day you may get a better job, start a new business, or move to a new place. Everything seems great. But sometimes life brings unexpected changes. A job role shift, a business needs new strategies, or a new challenge comes your way. What do you do? Do you step forward with confidence, or do you hold back wishing things stayed the same? This is what the book Who Moved My Cheese by Dr. Spencer Johnson teaches. How to embrace change and turn it into success. It is a simple but a powerful story about four characters living in a maze. Two mice, Sniff and Scurry, they move fast, always looking for new opportunities. Two little human, Hum and Ha, they think deeply sometimes, hesitate and fear for change. All of them love cheese. Cheese represents what we want in life: success, happiness, growth, and new opportunities. One day, their cheese is gone. What happened next? Sniff and Scurry don't waste time. They quickly move forward and find new cheese. Hem and Ha feel stuck. Hem is afraid of change. He waits, hoping the old cheese will come back, and he always complains. But he never moves forward. Ha slowly realizes something important. Change is not the enemy, change is the way forward. He learns to adapt, takes small steps, and finally, he finds a new, bigger, and better cheese station. On the walls of the maze, he writes a powerful lesson. If you do not change, you may miss great opportunities. What would you do if you were not afraid? When you move beyond fear, you will feel free. Ha's journey teaches us a simple truth: life keeps moving, and so should we. The key lessons from this book is: change is a chance to grow. Every new challenge is an opportunity to learn. Number two, be like Sniff and Scurry. Take action. The faster you adapt, the better your results will be. Number three, let go of fear. Most times, fear holds us back from amazing opportunities. Number four, stay open to new possibilities instead of looking back and ask, what is next? Number five, success belongs to those who embrace change. The world rewards those who are ready to evolve. Final message is: life is full of new doors waiting to open. You have two choices: stay in the past and wait, or move forward and discover new opportunities. Which one will you choose? Comment below. Have you ever faced a big change in life? How did you overcome it? If this video inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more book summaries. Thank you very much.